Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Slack on your computer, then please watch this video. This is the only guide you'll need. So open the Microsoft Store either from here or search for it and then open it and search for SLACK Slack and hit enter. Now click on Slack and click on install and wait for it to install. It's a very popular software but a heavy one, so we'll need a while for that. Once it is installed, click on open and it will open Slack. We can log in using our Gmail account. So if Slack has opened here, I'll click on sign into Slack and then I'll click on sign in with Google and then I will pick my account, my email ID, and then I'll click on continue and it's picking this up. And then I'll check this box here and then I'll click on open link and then it will try signing into Slack. So let us wait till it signs into Slack. Great, it has signed in. Now I can create channels here. I can directly message any of my coworker. I can check regular news and project updates. I can also monitor my activity. If I specifically got a DM, like a personal message, I can check that in this folder here. And I can create a new message, a new canvas, a whole new group channel and all as well. And I can also create separate videos. So this is what Slack is used for, and I can organize all of these messages here. Now Slack is much better than Skype if you wish to organize work because it gives you a platform and it also allows integration with ClickUp. So this is what makes it amazing. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.